are everything.
Very happy naman yung si Beng Beng namin. Hi! Nakita naman di playground.
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, life is a bliss.
Beans telling things are well. What facts belong, it's hard to say. Your pattern is so hard to tell. But we're together, that's our game. Round and round and round we go. The dance ain't over, I'm sure we're still the same. Love the ways you make us whole. Would you say if things ain't right? Look away, look away.
Bye-bye.
What's really going on? What's really going on? Would you tell me, can't you say? What's really going on? What's really going on? Down the bottom in the hole, there's no sane ways, there's
Michi, we're going to Disney. Naka-change outfit na yan. Kasi sa stroller. Michi Beng?
drag us out and build us up again. Put things right, let me go. No way of knowing if there's still time. Look away, look away.
Say hi to the captain.
There's the captain. Say.
We've been sliding since I don't remember when. In and out of consciousness. While others might be stressing out, we rely on our facade to help us out. And it's obvious now, finally, I know you're gonna underplay it, but it's time to move on from this. We're derailing, and we're not what we used to be. So life is different than we imagined it would be. We're not the first, we're not the last. While others may be restless too, we were always far ahead, me and you. And it's obvious now, finally, I know you're gonna underplay it, but it's time to move on from this. We're derailing, and we're not what we used to be. Underplay it, but it's time to move on from this. We're derailing, and we're not what we used to be. Underplay it, but it's time to move on from this. We're
Touchdown Hong Kong. Touchdown hanggang. Ito na kami Hong Kong. Field trip ito ng mga bata. Wala pa din yung ano natin. SIM card natin. Hey Siri, what's the temperature outside?
I don't know where you are.
62. Sige, gusto ko ano naman to. Kala mo naman, kayang-kaya nyo. At change na PC mini. Mini, mini, mini. Mini, mini, mini. Daddy, hold her. At change na happy.
Saan ka na naman?
Hanggang! Mishi Beng.
Oh, how easy it's to forget. Still think about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now. Oh, one thing that it's plain to see. Best thing in this life's for free. That's so true now. There I was with my world falling apart. Hoping just to get by.
Tired?
Without knowing it, I played it by heart. And now I sing. I'm with you. I'm with you. Oh, we're cruising down to Mexico. I'm turning up the radio, 'cause I'm with you now. You and me, we know that love is in the air, like the wind blowing through your hair. Oh, I'm with you now.
Is there a chance that we can do early check-in? Is there an available?
Maybe you can
Go inside?
Go inside. And then
okay.
this only the.
Your hotel since yesterday for the early check-in. Oh, they said if it's... May I have your password? Oh, okay. So let me check.
So are we gonna pay here for the breakfast already, or is how do you do the breakfast thing?
There's no reservation. Just walk in and pay on spot.
Oh, okay. PM pa yung amin check-in. We're gonna go out first para maghanap ng mga pwedeng kainan na hindi dito sa Disney. Kasi dito naman na yung breakfast namin. Grabe naman kung pati lunch dinner dito pa. So, let's go outside. Punta lang kami dito sa bandang shuttle bus nila. Actually, kakaalis lang ng shuttle bus nung paglabas namin ng hotel. So, maybe we need to wait. Andyan na ata. Yung weather dito parang hindi ko ma-explain. Pero naka-puffer jacket sila dito, guys. Ako ako. Mini-skirt ako. Tapos naka-puffer jacket sila. So, saan tayo pupunta, Daddy? Kami yung nag-travel na walang kaplano-plano. Wala kaming plano for today. Hindi namin alam kung saan yung pupuntahan namin. Ganyan na talaga guys kapag may anak na. Wala nang plano-plano kasi nakadepende yan sa mood ng anak kung saan pupunta. Kung nakapag early check-in nga kami, kung available lang sana yung room namin, hindi na kami tapos dito na kami, lilibot-libot na lang kami dito. Ganun na kami katamad mag-travel ngayon.
Never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah.
Ito sa'yo.
The autobus card? Yeah. For the Etau, it's 200.
200. And then for the bus.
Hey mama, could you get up soon? I get so cold in the wait. Get yourself moving and be okay.
Sarap yan. Ito yung soy sauce chicken leg with rice. So, ito yun, diba?
Nagibit mo niya pa.
Sa'yo. Ito yung fried noodles with beef.
Oh, sorry. Thank you.
Andiyan pala eh. Diba yan yung naamoy sa Asian store? Ano ito matagal pa i-marinate? Yak! Laway! tatakbo na yan. Wow! Jesus, very happy. Nakawala. Ayusin mo yung palda niya, Daddy. Come to mommy. Come to mommy. Come. It's okay. Ay, sus. Oh, very happy naman yung Mishi Beng Beng namin. Hi! Hala! Bukas pa tayo papasok. Wah! Ah! Parang aling maliik. Careful, careful, Mishi. Get up! Get up! Careful! Get up, Mishi! Tinitingnan niya yung iba't ibang kulay ng ano. Uy, Mishi! No, 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 no! Mishi! Uuwi na tayo! Ba't ka bumabalik? Mishi! Let's go! Let's go na. Napasyal tayo doon sa pool. Let's go. Ah. Come.
Bye-bye.
Let's go, Mishi. Mishi, we're leaving you. Mishi, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Ala, Daddy, ayaw. Gusto niya maglaro dito. Mishi! Get up! Get up, Mishi! Mishi, get up! Shh. Mishi! Nakakalayo na to. Get up, anak ko! Wow, Mishi Ben! Welcome to Hollywood Hotel! 3670. Ito. Si ano? Ay, ito na ba yun? 3670. Ah, oo nga.
This is it. That first year.
Kasi hindi bagay sa mga outfits. Duffy. Uy, look at this mini. Looks like your mini. Giling. Mas mabigat to. Ito oh. Magkano kaya to? 169. Ito 129. Here. Oh, that's the kitchen, Daddy. Hanggang 11. Wala ka Lakad-lakad lang tayo, guys. Dito sa surroundings ng hotel kasi parang hindi ko rin masyadong na-enjoy kasi doon sa town. Tapos kanina pinag-usapan namin ni Daddy na pumunta sa cable car pero tinatama na kaming lumabas. So ikutin na lang namin itong hotel.
On grass, you're sure to find a snake. Don't let the serpent change your pace. Get yourself.
Mag-slide kayo ni Daddy dyan, oh. Mag-slide kayo ni Daddy dyan, oh. Nakaminis ka. 15, 16. Katot ako, 19 kung 20. Magtun ko naka-power jacket ka pa yung ba't ka. Di pa yung natulog ka ba? Iturog na lang ka, jitren.
Pero ko na jibingkin.
Go. Wala po, mayabot kayo sa akin. Baka marsuot, Bishi Beng. Ay! Wala. Oh, saba na makanervyos yung.
Kailangan aramidom.
Doon ka sa amin sa baba.
Uy, sige.
Kaya na.
Sa Balinto nga resortan. No, marugana na tigay ayang ko sa sapo, unlimited.
Hindi naman nag-i-slide. You're not sliding na.
Kita nyo di pa nga mabutang nag-slide. Nakasaka na madaman. Masapol sa nga maigatangan slide na dahito ya. Ito na ko, California, gatangang tikas na. Nala kayo.
Kaya mo yan.
Baka mo na pa ito ulong, nag-slide dan. Slide, lay down. Again.
Ulo.
Di pa nga mabutang.
Sa kanan eh. Pa-slide na si Saka. Okay, sa ba?
May kapay lang tapon mo.
Monday morning blues. I open my eyes and I'm greeted by a cute little smile. The world is new with you by my side. Everything is beautiful. Tuesday afternoon, I'm calling you home just to hear your voice on the phone. I think of you and I'm not alone. You are everything under the sky so blue. I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you.
Walking lang kami dito sa by the beach. Ayan, pa-sunset na, sarap ng hangin. Woo, gusto ko yung ganitong lamig. Yung mga ano lang, 15 to 16 degrees Celsius. Nakaka-happy. Yay! Walking, walking. Huh?
Sabay tayo na.
Alas 12 to flight tayo. Eh di mauna pa rin siya aalis.
Under the sky so blue, I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you.
No? Pick it up, give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Ay! Give it to mommy. Ay! Yay! Clap, clap, clap. Nakita naman yung playground.
Under the sky so blue, I found my piece of heaven, spending my days with you. You are my piece of heaven. You are my piece of heaven. Yeah, you are my piece of heaven.
Careful.
So, papaliguan ko si Mishi ngayon. And finally, we have an inflatable na, ano ba to? Tub for her. Kasi nga, di ba, pag pinapaliguan kasi namin siya, we need to put bleach on her panligo. According to her derma. Dahil nga sa kanyang eczema. So, every time that we travel sa US, lagi kong nakakalimutang bumili ng ganito. Kasi nga, meron kaming foldable na yung liguan niya dati nung mga 3 months old pa siya nung nagpunta kaming Chicago. So, ngayon na nandito kami sa Pilipinas, ayokong iuwi yun. And I know that we're gonna be traveling out of the country again. And pumupunta din kami ng Ilocos and I don't wanna bring yung malaking ano ba yung tub niya sa Ilocos. So, I ordered one from, I think, Shopee ata to. And it has a pump already, pero manual yung pump niya. So, i-inflate ko to ngayon at nang mapapaliguan ko na si Mishi. I already washed her bottles, ayan. Tapos na yan, para mapaliguan ko na. Nung oras na ba, Daddy? 6 something na. And then, pag napaliguan ko si Mishi, maliligo na rin ako para maaga kaming makatulog tonight kasi pagod din kami ni Daddy and para maaga kami tomorrow. May manual pump na ito. Yeah. Ay, dapat lang naka-open to, Daddy. Yung kamay mo nakaganito or bakit parang hindi gumagana? Stay alive! Stay alive! Ayoko na. Parang hindi naman nag-i-inflate. Nasira ko pa ata.
And I'm not alone. You are everything